Sir, first of all, it's such a proud moment for India that Tanvi the Great had its screening at the prestigious Cannes Film Festival. It also had its London premiere yesterday, so a big congratulations to the entire team.
Thank you so much. We had an amazing response from the international audiences from Cannes, and yesterday in London it was phenomenal. You see, when you make a film which is from your heart, and I'm not a traditionally director, I'm primarily an actor, but the story inspired me, or when it reaches the heart of the people, it's very gratifying. The kind of comments we got in Cannes and in London yesterday is fantastic. I wanted to make a film from India for the world. And I think that aim I have managed to sort of achieve because it's a universal subject. It's a subject which all of us deal with in some way or the other, but maybe ignore it because we think that it's somebody else's problem. And the whole thing is said with uh, with a certain amount of entertainment. To me, autism is superpower. The story of Tanvi is that, and I was very overwhelmed by the reaction of people. People were clapping in between because there are no macho heroes who sort of are beating 12 people and the audience claps. They were clapping because the thought of the film was resonating with them, and they were crying, they were laughing at the end of the film. They didn't want to go, they were asking questions. So it's a beautiful feeling. Thank you.
And sir, I would also like to ask you, this is an incredible moment, of course, for Indian cinema. The last time we had a conversation, you had shared how the film had its own share of struggles. What does this recognition mean to you personally and for the entire team?
So I have always looked at my life. The tagline of the film is Tanvi the Great, different but no less. So I think that applies to everybody, all of us. Especially I have applied it to my life. I came to the city of Mumbai with 37 rupees. After 3 years of struggle, I got a film. I was 27, 28, and I got a role of 70, 60, 5-year-old man. So I've always tried to break the stereotype. You know, that typecasting hoti hai. I did all kinds of films. I wrote books which were not about acting. The books were about motivational books. I run an acting school. But I also wanted to make a film which was different but no less. We are, I'm not saying it out of arrogance. I am a part of that cinema. We are, I think, right now a little bankrupt about the script, especially the Hindi cinema. We are going through a time when I think we need to introspect. So in that the success, we'll talk about the box office when it releases on 18th of July. But the success of the film on an international platform like Cannes and then in London proves that if you do something with conviction against all odds, it is the most gratifying film and it will reach people's heart. The film was made with great difficulty because our people who were supposed to finance the film backed out at the last minute. But then I said, I have to make it because it's a conviction. और मैं हमेशा तो सोचता हूँ ज़्यादा क्या होगा, सड़क पे आ जाऊँगा. पर आज तो मेरी सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि मैं सड़क पे आऊँगा तब भी कंफर्टेबल जिंदगी जीऊँगा. So it's the music of the film by Mr. M. Keeravani. Oh my God, everybody was saying the music. There are 8 songs in the film, 3 themes in the film. Everybody was relating to it. I will be putting up 1 or 2 videos which we captured. And you people will know what I'm trying to say, because only in conversation it is very difficult to sort of explain to you what I was experiencing, or what Baman and Pallavi and Shubhangi were feeling.
And
It was
and so it also must be very. It also must be a very emotional moment for Shubhangi. It's her debut film, and making a debut film, starting career with such a strong film to her name is also.
we joined by Pallavi.
Hello, ma'am. Big congratulations for your Cannes debut.
Thank you so much.
What was your first reaction when you got to know that the film is going to Cannes?
Asking me or him?
So
No,
no,
I'm asking.
we decided to go to Cannes because we wanted to use an international platform to sort of get its first boost. We decided to show the film in a market section, but the response was like any other big film. Cinema connects emotions of people, and it did get that recognition. It did get that there was a director who had 4 films in Cannes in the last few years, Oliver Schmitz. So he was floored. He said it's so moving and so touching. Yeah.
And also,
And it was a very emotional moment for us because Mr. Kher is directing after 2 decades. And of course, several directors take their films to Cannes, but when an actor-director takes it to a festival like this, it really means a lot.
and ma'am, what was your special takeaway from the screening? Yes, that.
From the film,
yes,
you're
from
saying?
the film, yes, ma'am.
Oh, of course, one has read about autism, and we are a little sensitized about it generally, as people. But this made me understand the qualities, the super qualities that a human being has. And I've always, believed that when God takes away one faculty, he, she, whoever God may be, gives you something so much more in return. And it's such a pleasure to, see what can be unfold in front of your eyes, the super qualities unfold. So I think it has sensitized us more and has filled our heart with a lot of empathy for children who have autism, and at the same time, there is also a sense of what do you say? We feel that these people these children have superpowers, so we don't need to look at them with pity, but we should be proud that these kids are. We are blessed to have these kids in our lives.
And that is what resonated with the audience. What resonated with the audience that there is a film from India which looks at autism as a superpower. There is a line in the in the film that opposite of normal is not abnormal. Opposite of normal is extraordinary. So I think that people saw. We have seen films on autism from all over the world. They talk about the difficulties. They talk about how people react to them. Here she is the hero of the film. She changes the lives of people, and how the mother, which Pallavi portrays, how she has brought up her daughter who has autism. So mother keeps telling her that you are different but no less. So it's the parents who should look at autism as a superpower rather than a weakness or an oddity.
And so, you were talking about scripts. So, with Cannes being one of the biggest stages for the world cinema, how important do you feel that Indian filmmakers and actors, how important is it for them to take their stories to this international audience? Because what can they do, or what can we do to continue this momentum?
I think it's important that we show India in the present form, as India is. India is a developing country. It's the 4th largest economy. India is no more city of the country of snake charmers and Bamanji, snake charmers and elephants and poverty and misery. We are flourishing, and Mr. Bamanirani is here.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Big
So
congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
How does it feel, sir?
Well, it feels like a family. What else can I say? And a
And,
second
also-
marriage, a second honeymoon.
Also, sir, how was it like you yourself are a director, so how was it like getting directed by Anupam sir for Tanvi?
It was torture. It was blissful torture because somebody has to put you in your place, right? As a director, you think you're on top of your own game, but then someone tells you, a man with his experience, who's telling you maybe you should try one like this, maybe you should try one like that. So I'm saying torture as a compliment. To get the best out of someone, you need somebody like Mr. K to do that for you. See how I make it so exciting?
Also, sir, I was asking this about the filmmakers. How, like, what should Indian filmmakers and actors do to take their stories to the international platform?
So just say that question again. Please ask that question.
International audience, what can we do to sort of continue this momentum?
So I think it's horses for courses. There are certain films that will work in our country for our audiences, for our certain target audiences, and we should not stop making those kind of films because those films are very important for our own culture, for our own people, and if I might use a nice Hindi word, it's our khorak in many ways. We need that nutrition of entertainment that we've grown up on over decades, and why should we abandon that? However, there are certain kinds of films with a certain tonality that is required, which I think should go to the international market so that we have the searchlights pointing towards our country. That we do what we do as we've been doing over the so many decades so beautifully well. But this is what we can do too. And for those kind of films, I think you have to understand that those international audiences need to be lured towards India.
I was also telling her in the beginning that what I think is, especially the Hindi cinema is suffering, is some kind of an original scripts. We are, whereas the regional languages are doing amazing, they're coming up with. So that I think that was a reference of her asking this question. Pallavi, the film that she's producing, Baman, the film that he's making, I'm not trying to sort of drum our own, beat our own drums, but there are films which the audiences are prepared to see and watch and enjoy. Wherever also there is larger than life cinema which people love, but we should not undermine our audiences that उनको समझ में नहीं आएगा. हम उनको
No, but what I'm saying, even our larger than life audiences are now the suspension of disbelief for those kind of films also. People have a certain threshold. I think we are past that threshold.
Yeah.
So you can have your larger than life films, but please make sure that there's a new world out there. Mm-hmm. Our audiences also. We have to respect our audiences. Our audience is also a new audience in many ways with new tastes. So even the commercial cinema, as we call it, needs to do a lot of work.
Yesterday the audience was mixed audience. There were elderly people, there were middle-aged people, there were younger people. We had Gurinder Chadda's daughter. She is 15-year-old. I will be posting her video. She's kind of an autistic girl. Her take on the film was unbelievable. So there were the people from different age groups, different society people. There are different stratas of society. They are reacting to a film because, as I said to you, this is a film from India for the world.
Also, sir, like you were talking about autism, it is not a very much talked about topic. How do you see this film contributing to the international dialogue about autism and its representations in the media?
I think that is exactly the reason why a film like this should be made. So that there is more talk about autism. There is more talk about the way to manage children with autism, the way to give them more confidence and make them feel as normal as possible, because they do extraordinary things in return for the society also at large sometimes. So this understanding, it has to reach far and wide, and it can't be restricted to a country alone. So hence, it's a global subject, and bringing it to Cannes was one of the reasons. So that people all over the world. There's a very nice line which. In the film which Anupam ji has written, and which I say, that people in India may not know a lot about autism, but we certainly know a lot about caring.
Yes.
And that's what we can teach the world: how to care for people, how to have empathy for people at large. And hence, it's very important for subjects like Tanvi the Great to come out in front of the international audiences.
And also when you're taking actors like Baman ji and Pallavi, and also my Shubhangi, who is supposed to be here, which will be anytime, and Karan Thakur. You see, it's a collective feel. It is an experience that you have gone through for the last 1 year of feeling the film and then celebrating cinema in a place like Cannes or in a place like London. Yesterday, the London audiences were, I was introduced by Baman, and it was so amazing the way, I think we have a team of selfless people. That is what, and we have a mutual respect for each other's craft. He keeps pulling my legs or whatever it is. But it is, पढ़े लिखे actor है हम. Let me say that. Theater, cinema, पढ़ा लिखा, NSD. So I think उससे ना थोड़ा relaxed हैं हम as human beings. We are not competing with anybody. So we can afford to make the film. Like he made Mehta Boys. He did make a film which he wanted to make. Or Pallavi has made Kashmir Files or now Delhi Files. They are making a film which they believe in. I made a film which was very, very personal to me because my niece, Tanvi, is autistic, my real niece, so it's based on her. And she sings very well. So that's why the songs by M.M. Keeravani are beautiful songs. So that was important.
But also, I would like to, point out to the fact that, see the arc of the films. There's Mehta Boys, there's Tanvi the Great, Kashmir Files. So these are different cinemas. Yet when we come together, for any film, for any cinema, when we come together, we give our 100% and we take ownership of that film. So Tanvi the Great is as much my film as it is Mr. K's film, or as much as it's Baman's film. So that is the beauty of this. And what a lovely time we are having, being together.
I just need to add that first of all, Tanvi the Great is an original piece of work which is so wonderful. It emanates from someone's one little thought, a little sprig that blossomed into this big, beautiful thing. And more importantly, that people seem to feel that something that's topical is a good idea to make a film. Now, let me clarify. Tanvi the Great actually should be a topical film. However, the difference is it's not meaning to be sensational. There's a big difference. It's not meaning to be sensational and cash in on someone's anger or something that's in the news. It's about humanity, it's about human beings, and I don't want to call it a problem. It is something that we face every day of our lives within our families. So the resonance would be beautiful. However, it's topical but not sensational, which I'm very, very happy with making this one.
Congratulations, Shubhangi.
Thank you so much.
I know how significant this moment must have been for you, for you in your career as a debutant. So, how do you think? How did the Cannes screening feel to you personally, and what is it like to have such a strong debut to your name? How does it feel?
It feels very overwhelming right now. Like even Cannes screening, after that I was still processing it all. Yesterday we had a London screening. I'm still processing it because I'm just living in every moment and there are like things happening every now and then. But whenever I get even 5 minutes just with myself, I feel like I can just have a like my overwhelming can really take over everything, and I don't know. So sometimes even like the fact that this trip will end now in 2-3 days, and just going back, and it feels. It's just a lot that I'm processing and I'm taking in, and as this movie, I don't think I could have asked for anything more and anything better than this thing that happened to me. It's a new life.
She's extraordinary in the film. अब मैं खुल के बोल सकता हूँ और हमारे इनके साथ धुरंधर एक्टर हैं, मगर बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। सब लोग जितने भी मिले हैं, कल गुरिंदर चड्ढा मिली थी, मेरे बाकी यहाँ के दोस्त मिले थे, उन्होंने कहा कि कितना कमाल का काम किया है। जब सो आई थिंक और हर एक ने इसको शुभांगी को ऐसे प्यार से पेश किया है। She was very lucky to have Pallavi playing her mother.
Yes.
She was very lucky to having him as a guru of teaching, and Arvind Swamy as who trains her, and Jackie Shroff जो इनके दोस्त बनते हैं, and I was the grandfather of Colonel Raina. So उसके बावजूद भी इसने इतना sorry I should
Can I say something?
Yes, something.
You know, yesterday now that I've been watching the movie, I feel like everybody who's played the character in the movie, they were like that in real life. They are like that in real life. He is my Raza Sahab, and she was actually like my mother in the movie, guiding me and protecting me, and he was actually like a grandpa, and everything was just so beautiful. And he was my buddy, and he's so funny. He's just he likes everything.
और जब आप फिल्म कर
We have made India proud. Let me just put it like that.
sir.
Yeah, so I think जब वो क्योंकि क्या है कि हमारी जो फिल्में अब्रॉड रिलीज होती है ना, वो बहुत इंडिया सेंट्रिक होती हैं, जो होनी भी चाहिए, अच्छी बात है, बिल्कुल। मैंने तो 540 फिल्में हिंदुस्तान की की हैं, मगर मैं हमेशा से चाहता था कि हिंदुस्तान से एक ऐसी फिल्म बने जो सबके साथ, पूरे वर्ल्ड के साथ रेजोनेट करे। आई थिंक दैट इज हैपनिंग।
एंड शुभांगी, 3 दिग्गज एक्टर्स के साथ जो आपने मतलब मूवी किया, तो थोड़ा नर्वसनेस तो हुआ ही होगा।
6 दिग्गज एक्टर,
6 दिग्गज एक्टर।
दिग्गज मतलब
दिग्गज के अंग्रेजी बोल,
Strong, huge,
मतलब पावरफुल,
impactful, yes.
एक्सपीरियंस।
Yes. Starting में बहुत intimidating because I've seen them portray different characters, and I still remember my first shot with Baman sir, and मैं अपनी line भी भूल गई थी because it was so, he became Raza Sahab. अभी Baman sir अभी एकदम Raza Sahab, with him, with Pallavi ji, Jackie sir, Arvind sir, everybody. It was a different experience, and I was starstruck. I was in awe, and I was like, how am I supposed to perform? मेरा first time है, मैं कहीं खराब ना कर दूँ, कुछ गलती से कुछ गलत acting करके या गलत बोल के. So I always had that.
But she rehearsed for 6 months. जब जैसे हमने इसको एक्टर प्रोफेसर हमारे स्कूल से चुना, हमने इनको बहुत महीनों तक बताया नहीं कि ये रोल कर रही है। हमने इनको बस बोला ऑडिशन भेजते रहो। तो ये 5 महीने तक बिना बोले, बिना पूछे, हर 2 घंटे 3 घंटे बाद अपना ऑडिशन भेजती रहती थी। एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू दैट बिकॉज शी डिड नॉट नो दैट शी वाज प्लेइंग दिस रोल। सो शी वर्कड वेरी हार्ड, देन शी स्पेंट 15 days with मेरी niece, my actual Tanvi, and I think he was in the shooting throughout. She was Tanvi. She was constantly behaving like that.
And one thing I would like to say about Shivangi is कि है ड्रीम डेब्यू तो है इसका अनडाउटेडली, लेकिन ये कोई एक रेगुलर कैरेक्टर नहीं था जैसे बाकी हीरोइंस वगैरह के डेब्यूज होते हैं बड़े बड़े। दिस वाज नॉट द रेगुलर कैरेक्टर। जिस सुर में हम सब परफॉर्म कर रहे थे उससे इसका सुर बहुत अलग था, एंड टू मेंटेन दैट एंड स्टैंड देयर कॉन्फिडेंटली and do her job was, I mean, she's wonderful in the film, and I'm so proud of her.
I can't wait to watch the film. And lastly, how are you all going to celebrate?
हम तो ऑलरेडी
Celebrating everything.
नहीं, पूरे टीम के साथ जैसे
इनफैक्ट हमारी सेलिब्रेशन साथ में बैठना है।
हाँ,
ये सेलिब्रेशन ही हो रही है। आप इससे बढ़िया बॉन्डिंग इस फिल्म से, हम तो खैर पहले से भी दोस्त थे, मगर जितने भी इनमें 240 यूनिट के लोग, म्यूजिशियन, टेक्नीशियन, कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनर, वो सब जिंदगी भर के लिए उनका रिश्ता बन गया।
तो ये भी सेलिब्रेशन ही है।
ये सेलिब्रेशन है।
तो 2-4 कबाब तो मंगा लो।
बट मैं चाहता हूँ मैं वापस आके
कबाब तो बनता है सर।
बनता है ना.
और कबाब में हड्डियां भी बहुत हैं. But हम 18 जुलाई को वर्ल्ड वाइड रिलीज हो रही है ये, and we are all waiting to share this film with the world.
Yes.
Exactly, sir. And I am also waiting for the film to release. Big congratulations to the entire team and keep making India proud, sir. And
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. आपको thank you नीरज, आपको भी thank you.
Thank you.